Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide following list on Instagram. For that, you need to launch your Instagram mobile application. Then you just have to simply switch to that particular Instagram account of yours in which you want to hide the following list. As you can see that this is my account. So if I tap on my profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will see that currently I have this much amount of followers on my Instagram account, which is close to 6,000. So if I want to hide my following list from someone, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now you just have to simply scroll down and select the option of account privacy. Now after selecting the account privacy option, you just have to simply tap on the toggle button right next to private account. So what this will do is it will private your account, and whenever someone reach at your account and try to tap on your following list in order to view it, they won't be able to do so. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Till then, bye.